Welcome to Rebirth the Body Meditations. Here's to the best days of your life. Gently close your eyes. Get comfortable. Relax. Call upon ease and move into flow. Allow yourself to be. Take a nice deep breath. Feel that breath flow through your body, followed by a divine healing light. Allow this energy to move throughout your body. Allow this healing energy to overflow over your wounds and all physical pain. Allow yourself to move into ease. Allow yourself to know that you are protected. You are surrounded around peaceful energy. You are stable. You are grounded. You are in tune and in flow of all that belongs to you. Feel that energy as it expands throughout your body. Feel peace as it fulfills your heart. Allow this energy to flow. Feel this peaceful energy as it overflows. Feel this peaceful energy as it expands, overflows on your concerns and frustration. Feel bliss and ease take over. Know that you are in the right place at the right time, having a divine experience. Allow for peace to take over. Allow comfort to take over and expand around you. Allow comfort to fulfill your inner child. Allow your energy to flow into your inner child, expanding peace, expanding ease, expanding peace, extending ease. Allow for this energy to take over, overflowing and healing, all in the right places. Allow yourself to be. Allow this peace to overflow on concerns and frustrations as you bring your awareness to your intentions and your desires. Hold the thoughts of these intentions and desires and allow yourself to feel comfort, to know that all your dreams, even the wildest ones, come true. To know that you can bring all of these thoughts into your reality. Allow peace to take over. Taking another breath. Taking bliss. Breathing comfort. Allow for awareness to take over. Allow for ease and peace and bliss and comfort to rest with you, to expand into every cell in your body, filling you up with positive energy. Allow this energy to multiply, to expand, to overflow and reflow back into you. Release. Release guilt, baby. Release the need to fix it. Just relax and know that you are okay. You are right where you're supposed to be. Take a nice deep breath. Don't worry about the missed deadline. Don't worry about the bill that's due. Just allow yourself to breathe. You're okay, honey. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Feel peace and bliss and comfort expanding around you. You are whole. You are absolute. You are lacking nothing. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Allow your next breath to take negative feelings away because you are more than okay. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Feel ease and comfort take over. Allow yourself to relax. Allow yourself to be reminded that you are exactly where you're supposed to be, having the experience that belongs to you. You are okay. You're having a divine experience that is just for you. This is your journey. Many won't understand because they don't have the capacity to. You are exactly where you are supposed to be. You are expanding. Feel peace surround you. Feel joy hug you. You are comfort. You are grounded. You are love. You are light. You are amazing. You are triumph. You are beyond your toughest challenges. You are amazing. You are understanding. You are solid. You are always winning.